Make a great choice today with the 2015 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, power driver's seat, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster, power door locks, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.